10 videos tell you how to define good quality or bad quality of a sprayer. Chapter 2. Battery. Today we are talking about the power source of your sprayer, the battery. It determines that how long your machine can run on a single charge and how many years it will last. There are two main types to consider. The first is the lead-acid batteries. This is the traditional and the most commonly used option for international shipping and import. Most logistic companies and destination countries have no special approval requirements for lead-acid batteries. This is due to its chemical properties, which ensure a high level of safety. Similarly, these chemical properties also mean that the heavier a lead-acid battery is, the more power it can provide. So, simplest way to choose a good one is to weigh it. You cannot fully trust the marked AH rating.
Wait, 手要面还有個排泄battery is heavier.
Exactly. So if you want a sprayer with double pump and has 5 hours working time, it will be very difficult to carry. The second option is the lithium battery. It is much lighter and a relatively new choice for the sprayer industry. Generally speaking, a high-quality lithium battery can have a service life of over 3 years. That means its capacity will only start to decline after more than 500 charge and discharge cycles.
Then I have a question. Why hasn't it been widely used in sprayer?
Well, there are a few reasons for that. For export, lithium batteries must pass a series of strict safety certifications. This includes specific certificates and qualifications required by both shipping companies and destination countries. Furthermore, the current lithium battery market is not well regulated. The quality varies a lot between different manufacturers. This inconsistency is reflected in two key aspects. The first one is the actual capacity. When evaluating a lithium battery, the labeled AH rating and its weight can be misleading. The only reliable way is to test it to check the actual runtime on a full charge. Second thing is the cycle life. It varies significantly across different brands and models. This refers to the number of charge and discharge cycles a battery can withstand before its capacity drops sharply. Unfortunately, the cycle life is very difficult for most distributors to test. So, choosing a reliable brand and factory is your smartest investment. They use high-quality cells, and your battery will last longer and work more safely. The choice of battery mainly depends on your product positioning, sales strategy, and the target market. If you need more detailed recommendations, please message me.